Hi everyone and welcome to my short video. This clip aims to explore the negative emotions at workplace and what causes them and ways to deal with negative emotions. Now, what causes people to exhibit these negative emotions? These negative emotions can result from frustration, interpersonal conflicts with bosses or co-workers, and unfair treatment. It is according to equity theory, we are all motivated by a sense of fairness and equity. Unfortunately, workplace rewards aren't always distributed fairly, and this can lead to negative emotional reactions including envy. So, what are the most problematic emotions at workplace? This includes frustration, anger, dislike, emotional labor, worry or uncertainty, feeling of worthlessness, and much more. Now, among them, frustration is the most common type of problematic emotion at workplace, which usually occurs when you feel stuck or trapped or unable to move forward in some way. It could be caused by a colleague blocking your favorite project and in cases dealing with difficult manager at work. Also, emotional labor is the second most common type of problematic emotion. It is a process of managing feelings and expressions to fulfill the emotional requirements of a job. Furthermore, negative emotions leads to poor mental health as a result of job insecurity, physical health issues, poor psychological well-being, job insatisfaction, workplace violence. An estimated 85% of the studies demonstrated that job insecurity lead to an increase in negative health outcomes on a variety of measures, such as self-rated well-being, objective health measures, injury measures, and workplace violence. Now, heading on to how to deal with negative emotions in business environment. So, there are a number of coping strategies to deal with negative emotions, which includes management of emotions. This plays a crucial role in business environment, and it refers to the power of understanding and recognizing the emotion and by turning negative emotions into positive ones. There are various ways which help to manage emotions, such as exercising, distracting yourself from negativity, relaxing, letting go of the past. Second is emotional intelligence. People with high emotional intelligence integrate their emotions with their thinking to produce desired outcomes. Last but not the least is social support. Social and emotional support can be protective for health. Thank you for watching the video.